In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a female barber in Mandeville cutting a path for herself in the profession, one snip at a time. Kian Morgan reports.
Snips and smiles with style. It's a package deal which Carleen Gentles offers all her clients, and the main reason they keep coming back. At just 23 years old, Carleen is carving a way for herself in a profession that is dominated by males. New skills she has managed to hone in just 2 years.
I needed a job, and I'm not the type of person to go out there and seek a job. I'd rather, try to see if I could do something that could make me some money. So I'm like, I need to do something that's different. So, I talked to God. And, a couple months from that, I was on my veranda and the idea came to my head that I should be a barber. And I came to the barber shop and I asked one of the barber if they could teach me how to cut hair. And they said, sure. And, I just keep coming every day until I get it.
But things weren't always like this. People were skeptical.
And nobody want to cut with me because I'm a female and they're not used to seeing that. Everybody think I'm going to mess their hair up. So at first it did feel weird, but now I feel proud of myself to know that I'm the only female barber in my parish. So yeah, I'm really proud of that.
Andrew Nelson was one of a few clients who trusted her with practicing on his crown.
She used to spend 2-3 hours in the early days until now. By the time I sit down, she finished.
Renard Williams says he hasn't switched to barbers since his first visit in January.
I was impressed by that, and I don't really like men in my space, so it felt comfortable.
Barber Peter Binns says he taught Carleen the basics after seeing how hungry she was to learn.
When I first started doing barbering, no one was there to help me. So I kind of understand what she got through as a beginner, you understand me? So I try to be there and try to guide her through, and no matter how things might be hard, because things are always hard when you don't know how to do it, but eventually when you get it, things become easy.
But barbering is just one of Carleen's many gifts. She also specializes in lash extensions and microshading. Her upbringing, she says, helped to mold her ambition to become a cut above the rest. And so catching on was a must.
I couldn't stop. I already started, and this is something I see myself doing because it gives me the freedom that I want.
Carleen says it all starts with an imagination and stepping outside your comfort zone.
Anything that you want, just think about it, see yourself doing it, and then, eventually your actions will start aligning with the stuff that you're thinking. Like they say, your thought shape your reality.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.